In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Systweak PDF editor, an all-in-one PDF editing solution designed to handle almost everything you might need when working with PDF files. This video is a review, and if you'd like to check out Systweak PDF editor for yourself, you can find the link in the description below. We'll walk through installing the software and then explore its main features to see what it offers and how well it performs. One of the biggest advantages is that Systweak PDF editor provides a lifetime license option along with a 60-day money-back guarantee, and the pricing is very budget-friendly. But before we dive into the features, let's download it first and get everything set up. So go ahead and visit the official Systweak website using the link in the description, download the installer, and run the setup. The installation process is quick and straightforward. Once the installation is complete, launch the program and you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Now I'll open a sample PDF document so we can start testing the editor. Right away, the interface looks clean, modern, and easy to navigate, which is great for both beginners and experienced users. Everything is laid out clearly, so finding the tools you need doesn't feel confusing or overwhelming. Let's start with the Add Text feature. This allows you to insert new text anywhere in your PDF. You can change the font style, adjust the font size, and align the text to the left, center, or right. You can also match the new text with the existing font in the document, which helps keep everything looking consistent. After saving those changes, we move on to the Edit Text tool. This feature lets you modify existing text directly inside the PDF. Whether you need to fix a typo, update a date, or replace a sentence, you can do it quickly without recreating the entire file. The editing process is smooth and straightforward. You can also insert images into your PDF document if needed, which is useful for adding logos, photos, or diagrams. Another helpful tool is the callout feature. This lets you point out important areas in the document or draw attention to specific links and sections. Next is the digital signature feature. Instead of printing, signing, and scanning documents, you can sign PDFs directly inside the software. You can upload an existing digital signature or draw one manually using your mouse or touchscreen, saving time and effort. The crop tool allows you to crop a single page or the entire document depending on your needs. One feature that really stands out is the watermark tool. You can easily add or remove watermarks by typing in your desired text and choosing where it appears on the page. There is also an insert option that allows you to add page numbers or base numbering to your PDF. The highlight tool helps you mark important text, and you can choose from different colors to make key information stand out. In addition, you'll find tools like underline, strike through, squiggly line, freehand drawing, and eraser. The stamp feature lets you place labels such as approved, confidential, completed, rejected, and more. This is especially useful for organizing documents and managing workflows. Another powerful feature is the converter. You can convert PDFs into Word, Excel, images, and other formats, as well as convert different file types into PDF. This makes file sharing and editing much more flexible. Systweak PDF Editor also includes OCR or optical character recognition, which converts scanned documents and images into editable and searchable text. This is great for working with scanned contracts, receipts, or printed documents. You can merge multiple PDFs into one file, repair corrupted PDFs, compress large files to reduce size, and protect your documents with passwords to restrict editing, copying, printing, or viewing. While we didn't cover every single feature in this video, I plan to make more videos diving deeper into specific tools. From what I've tested so far, Systweak PDF Editor truly feels like a complete all-in-one PDF solution. If you're interested in trying it out, make sure to check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.